Billionaires are known for their wealth, power, and success. But how does greed play a role in their journey? Is greed always bad, or does it push them to achieve more? In today's video, we will talk about how greed changes billionaires from the beginning of their journey to their biggest success. Many of them start with big dreams, but face many problems along the way. They work hard, take risks, and never give up because they want more money and success. Even when they become rich, they still want more. They build bigger businesses, make more deals, and try to stay ahead of everyone. Some use their money to help people, but others only care about growing their wealth. Greed makes them powerful, but does it also bring problems? Does money make them happy? Or do they always want more? If you want to know how greed controls billionaires and what it means for their lives, keep watching. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more educational and insightful content like this. Visit our website regularly at cryptogolorenews.live for more updates on important financial topics. And for those looking to secure their financial future, check out https:/7kmetals.com/mbfloyd, a great affiliate product designed to help with long-term wealth management. Stay informed and take control of your financial well-being. The desire for wealth. Every billionaire has a strong wish to be rich. Some are born in poor families, while others grow up in rich homes but still want more money. They believe money brings power, freedom, and a better life. This dream makes them take risks, start businesses, or invest in big chances. They work hard to find ways to earn money in new and different ways. Many billionaires look for ideas that no one else has thought of before. The first big opportunity billionaires do not become rich in one day. They wait for the best moment to make their first big move. This could be starting a company, creating something new, or buying land before its price goes up. They use their skills, knowledge, and sometimes even luck to turn a small idea into a big success. The first big opportunity is very important because it helps them take their first step toward wealth. They are always ready to take a chance when the time is right. The hunger for more. Once billionaires start making money, they do not stop. They want more because success feels exciting. The more they earn, the bigger their dreams become. They grow businesses, invest in new ideas, and take on bigger goals. Their hunger for success never ends. They always look for the next big thing that will bring them more money and power. They do not get satisfied easily, and this makes them work even harder. Greed makes them chase success again and again because they always believe there is more to achieve. The power of control money gives billionaires power over businesses, governments, and industries. They want to control markets, create new trends, and make big decisions. Some billionaires use their power to help people, while others focus only on their own success. They want to be the best and most powerful in their field. They make rules, decide prices, and shape the future of industries. The more money they have, the more control they get. The fear of losing wealth. Billionaires are always afraid of losing what they have built. They know markets can change, businesses can fail, and new competitors can appear. This fear makes them find ways to stay rich. They put money in different businesses, hire smart people, and make backup plans to protect their wealth. They do not want to lose their success, so they keep learning and looking for better ways to grow their money. They know that if they stop working hard, they can lose everything. The search for luxury. When billionaires have money, they want to enjoy the best things in life. They buy expensive cars, big houses, private jets, and luxury items. They want to live a life that looks grand and special. Greed makes them want the best of everything. They like to show their wealth to the world and enjoy things that most people cannot afford. But no matter how much they have, they always want more. This need for luxury pushes them to keep making more money so they can buy even bigger and better things. The hidden side of greed. Greed is not always good, and sometimes billionaires make choices that hurt others. They may pay workers very little money, sell bad quality products, or even damage the environment just to make more profit. Some billionaires do not want to pay taxes, so they find ways to keep all their money for themselves. While greed helps them become successful, it can also bring problems. People criticize them for being too selfish and not caring about the effects of their actions. If greed is used in the wrong way, it can create unfair business practices that harm many people. The charity and reputation game. Many billionaires give money to charity, but not always for kind reasons. Some donate large amounts just to look good in front of people, while others do it to avoid paying more taxes. They know that giving to charity can help them gain more power and respect. Even though their donations help people in need, greed is sometimes the real reason behind their giving. They want to protect their reputation so that people see them as kind and generous. The legacy they want to leave. As billionaires grow older, they start thinking about how the world will remember them. Some want to be known as great business leaders, while others want their names on buildings, schools, or history books. Even when they think about their legacy, Greed plays a role because they still want to be the best. They want to make sure their names are never forgotten, and they want their businesses to last for many generations. The challenges of too much wealth. Having too much money is not always easy, and billionaires face many problems. They deal with stress, competition, and sometimes even loneliness because they do not know who to trust. They worry about losing their money, protecting their businesses, and keeping their families safe. Some find happiness by giving money to good causes, while others feel empty even with all their success. Greed makes them work harder, but it can also make life more difficult. The final question, is greed good or bad? Greed helps billionaires work hard, take risks, and change the world in big ways. It drives them to build businesses, create new inventions, and make life better for some people. But greed can also make them selfish, unfair, and too focused on money. Some billionaires use greed to do good things, while others use it to take advantage of people. In the end, greed is neither good nor bad. It all depends on how it is used. Billionaires go through different stages of greed. At first, they just want money for a better life. As they earn more, their greed grows. They do not just want money, they also want power and control. Some use their wealth to help others, while some only focus on getting richer. In the end, they wonder if money is enough to make them happy. No matter what, greed stays with them and shapes their journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos on money and success. Billionaires go through many stages with greed, from wanting more money to seeking power and control. Some use their wealth to help others, while some only focus on themselves. No matter what, greed plays a big role in their journey. For more updates, visit CryptoGaloreNews.live. Follow us on Instagram at CryptoNewsGalore to stay updated on the latest financial news. If you want a trusted investment option, check out 7kmetals.com/mbfloyd. Stay informed and make wise financial choices.